Look! Another similar, yet clearly different and identifiable lab. Hope that does something useful. Odd place to put a button. I pressed it. Juju in your face! Ow! Hey! Place to put a button. I hope that does something useful. Place to put a button. Join the herd!
I'm no shaman, but I can guess what's gonna happen next.
Hey, where'd you get this stuff? Very soothing on the joints.
Little yellow one, you are soft and squishy and highly absorbent. I am Globulus Maximus, ruler of the Morphoids. I speak through you.
Ah, there goes the poorest puppet again.
I know how to fix him.
Ah, that's better.
SpongeBob, what did you see?
It wasn't pretty.
Sounds like the sponge has a story to tell, and I guess we can't stop him.
I saw evil, and his name is Globulus Maximus, older than time itself. A giant ball of goo. It absorbs everything in its path, and it's headed our way. It is doom, but I sense too that it is gloom. It is evil. It is doomy and gloomy and evil.
That's not good.
I agree. All done without electricity.
Evil, doom, and gloom can only lead to one thing.
And that would be...
Kaboom!
If you know so much, how come you're not out there fighting with us?
When the Magu machine scanned me, it gave me this.
There's no time to waste. We've got to find the next piece of the Vessel of Portentia.